like you, have always been drawn to the darker side of history. And part of that is a bit of a fascination with serial killers, I guess. Not specifically serial killers, but unsolved mysteries, and
Wow.
and the stories that lie just underneath the stories. Again, probably credit my grandmother for that. But in 1885, Austin had a horrible, horrible year. We have the first serial killer in American history is from Austin, Texas. And in that
Mm.
year, he killed 8 Austinites. 7 of those were women, 5 of those African American servant girls. And he was never caught. And what puts him up there on the list, not only was he the first, about 6 years before H.H. Holmes ever killed anyone in Chicago. You can read more about that in The Devil in the White City. But our guy
Ooh.
killed with an axe, a knife, and an ice pick.